Is the video clear to you? Okay, in the last class, we had learned multiplication of a monomial by a monomial and a monomial by a trinomial. Sorry, monomial by polynomials. Today we have to start the next topic, multiplication of polynomials by polynomials. So let us start exercise 9.4. First one, multiply the following binomials. See here in this one, 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. We have to find out this product. And you know that in the first bracket, two terms are there. First one is 2x and the second one is plus 5. So this is a binomial, an expression involving two terms, which is a binomial. In the second bracket, again two terms are there. The first one is 4x and the second one is minus 3. Again it is a binomial. So in this question, we are multiplying a binomial with another binomial. Let us see how can we multiply this. Consider the first term of the first. So let us write this 2x. This multiplied by the second expression 4x minus 3. Okay, first term of the first bracket, that is first expression 2x plus 5, the first term is 2x. We are going to multiply this with the second expression 4x minus 3, 2x into 4x minus 3. Then the next is plus 5. The next term is plus 5, this into the expression 4x minus 5. This into 4x minus 3. Sorry, 4x minus 3. You know how to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Okay, to multiply this one, first we have to multiply the first two terms, that is 2x into 4x. 2x into 4x. Then sign is minus sign here. 2x into 3. 2x into 3. Since you put the minus sign here, you have to write only 2x into 3 in this place. So now the next is, we have to multiply with 5. Plus 5 into 4x. And the next one is 5 into, here it is minus sign, so 5 into 3. So once again, 2x into 4x minus 2x into 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 5 into 3. Now let us multiply this. 2 4s are 8. X into x gives x square. Then minus 2 into 3 it is 6x. Then plus 5 into 4x it is 20x. Then minus 15. Here these two are like terms. So 8x square. We can simplify these two together. What you will get? Minus 6 plus 20x. Minus 6x plus 20x. What's the answer? Okay, it is minus 6x plus 20x. Here this one is negative, minus 6, and this is positive. So what we have to do is do subtraction and give the sign of the bigger number. So 20 minus 6 is 14 and the bigger number is 20, which is positive. So we can write this as plus 14x minus 15. No other like terms here. So the answer is 8x square plus 14x minus 15. Is it clear? Okay, let us move to the next one. Y minus 8 and three y minus 4. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4 equals, again in the first bracket two terms are there. First one is y and the second one is minus 8. In the second bracket it is 3y and minus 4. Two binomials again. So here first let us multiply y with 3y minus 4. Y into 3y minus 4. Then second one is minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So this is equal to, now we have to multiply these two. y into 3y minus, sign here is minus, so y into 4. Now while writing the next one, you have to take care. Here it is, we have to multiply this with a negative sign. So minus 8 into 3y, it is minus 8 into 3y, then minus, this minus sign is here, minus 8 into 4. Okay, we have to multiply both the terms with minus 8. So it is minus 8 into 3y minus, this minus sign is here, minus 8 into 4. Now the numerical coefficient here is 1. 1 into 3 gives 3. Y into y, it is y square. Then minus 4y. Then minus 8 into 3, 24y. Then minus into minus, it becomes plus 32. This is equal to 3y square. Note about this, minus 4y and minus 24y. They are like terms. So what's this? How can we simplify this? Minus 4y minus 24y. Give your answer. How can you simplify this minus 4y minus 24y? Okay, it is minus, minus. Both are negative. So we have to add the numbers. 24 plus 4, 28, and since both are negative, we have to put the negative sign. It is 28y plus 32. So this is the answer. Now the third one. Shreya, it is not minus 28y square y. See, this is 4y, 24y. So here also you have to write y only. We are not multiplying it. We are adding these two. Akshay, it is not minus 28y square. We are not multiplying it. Adding these two. Only when you are multiplying, you will get it as y square. Here we are adding these two. So minus 4, minus 24. It is minus 28. The variable here is y. So you have to write y itself. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next one, third one. 2.5 L minus 0.5 M and 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. 2.5 L minus 0.5 m and 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. We have to multiply this 2.5 L minus 0.5 m into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. This is equal to, see here in this one, two terms are there. The first one is 2.5 L and the second term is minus 0.5 m. So this is a binomial. The second expression is 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. That is another binomial. So we have to multiply it, the first term by this first term by the second expression, that is 2.5 L into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. Then this minus sign, minus m into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. First term into the second expression minus second term into the second expression, 0.5 into 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. This is equal to, multiply these two, what you will get? 2.5 L into 2.5 L. Two 2.5 L into 2.5 L. What's the answer? It is 2.5 into 2.5, which gives 6.25. L into L gives L square. Then the next is, we have to multiply these two. 2.25 lm, here it is minus 1.25 at lm. So these two becomes 0 and the answer is, final answer is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. First term is 6.25 L square. These two become 0 minus 0.25 m square. Is it clear? Okay, let us move to the next one. A plus 3b and x plus 5. A plus 3b and x plus 5. Let us multiply this. A plus 3b into x plus 5. This is equal to, first term here is a. Let us multiply this with the second expression. A multiplied by x plus 5. Then the second term here is 3b. So plus 3b into x plus 5. This is a into x. It is ax. Then the second one, it is plus sign here. So plus a into 5 is 5a. Now the next is plus 3b into plus x, 15b. Okay, now the next one. 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. Two pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square is equal to, first term is 2pq. We have to multiply this with the second expression. So it is 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square. Then this is plus 3q square. So plus 3q square into plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. This is equal to 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. So this is equal to, let us multiply these two. It is 2 into 3. Let us multiply the numerical coefficients here. 2 into 3 it is 6. P into p, p square. Q into q, it is q square. Now the next is multiplying these two. Minus sign here. 2 into 2, it is 4. P only one time in these two terms. Q raised to 1 into q square. So total q cube. Now the next is these two, since both terms are positive, the product is also positive. 3 3s are 9. Q square into PQ. It is PQ cube. Then the next is 3q square into 2q square. Here it is positive and this is negative. So plus into minus gives minus. 3 into 2 it is 6. Q square into q square gives q raised to 4. Here this is equal to 6p square q square see these two terms. This is pq cube here and this one is also pq cube. So they are like terms. Minus 4 plus 9. Answer is 5p q cube minus 6q raised to 4. So this is the answer. Now let us do the next one. Three by 4 a cube, sorry, a square plus 3b square the whole into and 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. So we have to multiply 3 by 4 a square plus b square into 4 into a square minus 2 by 3 b square. So this is equal to see here in this one the numerical coefficient here of this expression is 1. 1 into 4. Let us write 4 first. And then we can multiply the binomials here. So the first one is 3 by 4 a square. So 3 by 4 a square into the second expression is a square minus 2 by 3 b square. See the first expression into the second one. First term of the first expression into the second expression. It is a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Now the next is plus 3b square into plus 3b square into a square minus 2 by 3 b square, the second bracket. Let this 4 be here into multiplying these two, we will get this as the numerical coefficient here is 1. 3 by 4 into 1 gives 3 by 4 itself. A square into a square, it is a raised to 4. Then multiplying these two, 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Minus sign is here. Let us multiply the numerical coefficient. 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. We can cancel these two. These two get cancelled and these two get. So 1 into 1 it is 1 by 2 into 1 it is 2. So the numerical coefficient here is 1 by 2. Then variables a square into b square. It is a square b square. Then the next one, multiplying these two, plus 3b square into a square. It is 3b square a square. Then multiplying the second term here. Then multiplying the numerical coefficients, we will get it as 3 into 2 by 3. This gives 3 and 3 get cancelled and the answer is 2. So it is 2b raised to 4. This is equal to 4 into 3 by 4 a raised to 4. Now these two are like terms. These two terms are like terms here. A square b square is the variable part and the numerical part is minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Let us simplify it. Minus 1 by 2 plus 3. Taking the LCM, 2 is the LCM here. Then minus 1 plus 2 into 3, 6. So the answer is 5 by 2. And you will get here as this is positive. So it is plus 5 by 2 a square b square minus 2b raised to 4. Now we can multiply this 4 inside. 4 into 3 by 4. This 4 and 4 get cancelled and answer is 3a raised to 4. When you multiply 4 with this term, it becomes, see in the first one, we are multiplying 4 into 3 by 4, which gives 3. In the second term, 4 into 5 by 2. 2 and 4 get cancelled and it is equal to 2 here. 2 into 5, 10. So it is 10 a square b square. Then the next is 4 into 2, 8. So it is minus 8 b raised to 4. Three a raised to 4 plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b raised to 4. Is it clear? Let us move to the next one. Simplify x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. Simplify x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. this is equal to, you can write this expression once again, x plus 5 plus 25 is equal to, first here multiplying two binomials. So first we have to multiply these two, x square into x plus 5, then minus 5 into x plus 5, minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. The last term given here is plus 25. So this is equal to, multiplying these two, x square into x, it is x cube, then plus sign here, x square into 5, it is 5x square, then minus 5 into x, which is minus 5x, minus 5 into 5, which is minus 25, minus 5 into 5, which is 25, and now the last term plus 25. So what happens here? These two are like terms. It is minus 25 plus 25 becomes 0. And the remaining terms here is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is the answer. Is it clear now? So let us do another one. T plus s square into t square minus s. T plus s square into t square minus s is equal to, the first term here is t multiplying with t square minus s, and the second term is plus s square multiplying with t square minus s. This is equal to, multiplying these two terms, t into t square, it is t cube, minus t into s, ts, then plus s square into t square, these two, then the second one is, this is positive and here it is negative, so negative product is negative, s square into s gives s cube. See, no like terms here. So the answer is t cube minus ts plus s square t square minus s cube. Is it clear now? Let us move to the next one. A plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into ac plus bd. So this is the third question. So it is a plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into ac plus bd. So this is equal to, here the first term is a multiplied with the second bracket c minus d. Now the second term is this b multiplied with this plus b into c minus d. Now here it is plus sign. Then the first term multiplied by the second bracket here, a into c plus d. Then the second term multiplied by the second bracket, that is minus b into c plus d. Then plus 2 multiplied by this ac, it is 2ac. Then 2 multiplied with this bd, which gives plus 2bd. Now this one, again multiplying these two, a into c gives ac minus a into d, it is ad. Then plus b into c gives bc. Plus into minus, here it is minus bd. Then plus ac. These two gives plus ad. Now these two gives minus bc. These two gives minus bd. Then plus 2ac plus 2bd. Let us consider the like terms here. AC, here one more AC, AC plus AC, then plus 2AC. So all these are like terms. 1 AC plus 1 plus 2. So the total is 4 AC. 1AC plus 1AC, 2AC plus 2AC, it is 4AC. Now minus AD and plus AD. Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. So that term is not there. Now let us consider this BC. 1 BC. Here plus 1. Here it is minus 1. Minus 1 BC. So it becomes 0. Now the next is minus 1 BD. This term. Here again minus 1 BD. So it becomes minus 2 BD plus 2 BD. See, minus BD, it becomes minus 2 BD plus 2 BD is equal to 0. So the answer is 4 AC. Okay, one more question. (1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Let us multiply these two. 1.5 into 1.5. It is 2.25 x square or we can write one more step here. 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, then minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. So this is equal to, multiplying these two, you will get this as 2.25 x square. These two will give plus 15 into 4, 60. So it is 6xy, one decimal place. So it is 6xy. And these two gives 1.5 into 3. 15 into 3 is 45. So it is 4.5x. Now multiplying these two, minus 15 into 4, 60. One decimal place, it is 6xy. Then these two gives minus 16y square. Then multiplying these two, it is minus 12y. Then these two terms are here, minus 4.5x plus 12y. So let us consider the like terms. With x square, no other term is there. So let us write 2.25x square. Then these two terms will get cancelled. 6xy minus 6xy. Then these two terms will get cancelled. 4.5x minus 4.5x. Then these two will also get cancelled. These two terms also will get cancelled. And the remaining term is minus 16y square. So the answer is 2.25x square minus 16y square. We will do the next topic in the next class. Thank you.